Okay, Bob here again. I got myself this Bronco specific, I guess, toolkit off of the Ford accessories website. They're selling them for about a little over $300. They had a coupon on there for 25% off. I had some points to burn up, so after taxes and shipping, paid about $75 for this. So let's see what I got. Make y'all suffer through the opening, huh? A few of you that watch. Hold on. Ah! Sucker's awkward. There we go. We got some tape there. And okay. All right. Right out of the box. Got this bag. Yeah, one of these days I'll figure out how to do this so I won't be doing it one-handed. It's actually a pretty nice bag. Yep. Rolls out pretty wide here. All kinds of holes to put stuff. Got a little pouch here on the side. Got another pouch over here. I don't know what I would want to put in there. Yeah, I mean, this is a heavy bag. This ain't no little chintzy piece of crap bag here. And I think this bag is made to mount. You can mount it on a molly if you want to. Molly panel. Yeah. Bag's well made. Let's see. Here's everything that's in here. Like I said, everything's all boxed up. I'll probably have to pause it so I can open the boxes. Got a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Even gave me electric tape. Got plenty of that. A lot of metric, but everything's metric these days anyway, right? So let me open up these boxes and let's see if the quality of these tools or anything. Okay, I'm just going to show you what we got here. Actually, I'm pretty impressed. Everything has a Bronco stamp on it. Even the sockets. I guess that's why it's Bronco specific, right? Okay. The end of the screwdrivers. I mean, I can't... There's no way of knowing who made this. But this isn't your run-of-the-mill, doesn't appear to be your run-of-the-mill crap tools that you can buy at some of these bargain barns. Well, you know, I'm looking at that. That looks like that's round and nut off. It doesn't have a really deep bite. Alright. I'm going to get another one out without hurting myself. There we go. And some background. Here we go. Yeah, that ain't bad. They are nice. Really nice looking tools. We got regular metric and the Torx. Pretty good selection of Torx. I haven't opened this bag yet, but they even got a damn spark plug gauge. Some of y'all probably don't even know what that is. So, yeah, I think it's probably worth it. I mean, they got one crescent wrench here. And when you close it, it closes nice and flat. There's no play in it, so it's not going to be a self-adjusting adjustable wrench. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Looks like a pretty decent pair of vice grips. Again, no way of knowing who actually made this. But I mean, it looks almost like a true vice grip. Well, that jaw gave it away right there. That's not vice grip jaw. But anyway, I just wanted to share this with y'all. That does look like looks like a pretty well made set of wrenches. You got a 3/8 drive there, a 1/2 inch breaker, 1/4 inch drive. Got the 1/2 inch drive. They appear to be, I mean, just because they're black anymore doesn't mean they're impact sockets, but they do look like they're thick enough to be impact sockets. Yeah, I'm happy with them. Well, I mean, I only spent $75 on it, so I should be happy, right? Yeah, this guy's nice though. I mean, it'll go in the Bronco and stay in the Bronco, and it's got the Bronco logo all over everything. So, anyway, if y'all have any questions or comments about it, you know, as always, feel free. Like or hate, follow. Yeah. And y'all take it easy out there. I just thought I'd throw this in real quick. So I got all the tools put away. It's a nice bag. It's very sturdy. Rolls up. Pop those loose. Roll it out. Got stuff in each one of them. Got your tools all tucked away. They ain't going to be rattling around. And I wanted to show you this. I said something about hooking it up to the molly panels if you wanted to with these. Well, all I had to do was look at the other side of that paper. Let me get it out of the sun so that you can see what they're seeing here. Apparently, it's set up to hook to the hooks in the back of your Bronco. They got a couple of different arrangements. You can put it, they don't say if this is the front seat or the back seat. That's all it says is under seat storage, but apparently there's a couple of hooks underneath the seat that you could wrap it around or something. I don't know. I think I will be getting straps and actually putting it on my molly panel that I installed not long ago. But it might, you know, who knows? There's always options. So, just wanted to share that with you guys. And again, y'all take it easy out there.